Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be doing Mystery Tackle Box because I have not done a Mystery Tackle Box in since 2017 I think is my last one. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I did this once and the lighting was really bad, so I changed spots and we're going to try again. So we're just gonna do that. That didn't work very good. Hold on. Dang it. I just lost, don't worry about it. First up is a Guggen Squad JR Scout jerk bait in the pearl bone color. I've never used a Guggen bait before. I got nothing against them. It's just I have stuff that I like using. And there's no point in me changing to stuff that's priced this way if I can get stuff cheaper that I like. So I think it'll be pretty cool. I'm going to open up for you guys. I think you can see it a little bit better when it's not in plastic. So we're going to do that here quick and keep the video going. So in the pearl bone color, Guggen JR Scout, dies 3 to 5 feet. Next up, I'm going to pick everything up. I lost my sticker too. What the heck? Hold on here. I lost my sticker! Alright, so word of advice, don't drop your baits to try to do something for your video. Alright, we did the Guggen bait. Next up on the list here, we are going to go, there's not really any order to go. We're going to go with the Weston Scandinavia Rig and Craw Watermelon Red. Watermelon Red Rig and Craw from Weston Scandinavia. A nice classic kind of brownie with red flakes. Next up is the Callan's jerk minnow. 4-inch jerk minnow, bait fish color. Honestly, I'm not a big jerk minnow guy. Probably wouldn't have bought these on my own. Being that I got them in Mystery Tackle Box, I might use them, or they might just sit in my warm tote forever. Who knows? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really a big jerk minnow guy. Next up is the Biwa War Axe in Okeechobee color. So it's got a little like blue glitter in there. I don't know if you can see, like blue glitter in there, and then yeah, looks good. Another kind of craw bait, which I like. I like throwing craw baits. I like throwing all that stuff. Just I don't know. I don't use soft minnow looking bait stuff. It's not my style. Next up is the Arc LP38 in Mystic Sexy Shad for the color there. You probably cannot see that at all. I'll take him out of the package because this guy actually looks really cool. He's like obviously shad, and then kind of like bluish purple, reflective, rattles. Oh, also the Guggen JR Scout rattles as well. So there's that. That's all the baits. You got your double digest and your price card. I don't know if you guys really care about that. The prices are accurate. I know some guys are like, oh, they over-ramp their prices, and no, they don't. If you go on to Guggen Squad's website, their JR Scout is $8.99. Team Arcs is $7.99. They don't ramp up their prices at all, or very little, like some people say they do. Oh wait, no, I lied. That's not all the baits. I lied. I got a Reflex skip and jig, so I can use the craw baits on that if I want, in the Magic Craw color. I forgot about the hooks. And then I got a, I don't know how to say this honestly, but I got a couple 3/0 MTB hooks. And I would assume MTB would be mystery tackle box, or just how they have them labeled in here, I don't know. Then you got your sticker. It's a pretty cool sticker. It's got a fish and a deer, and then yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. So that's about it for that box, and I'm for sure this time I didn't forget anything. That'll do it for this video and that box. I haven't done a mystery tackle box since 2017, so hopefully you guys liked it. I got 2 more boxes coming, obviously in the next months, and we'll see if I keep doing it from there or not. I'm not really sure. I just wanted to give it another try. It was just one of those things. I did it for a while, and then I canceled my subscription because, I don't know, I like picking out my own baits, but I also like getting a box and not knowing what I'm going to get, and maybe finding something that I like trying. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I've probably said like 10 times.